Hi, I'm Ross Benton. I'm a director and senior consultant with Safety Solutions. I've been with the company for 7 years. I have a control systems engineering background. My experience with HAZOP has included running HAZOPs for geothermal, oil and gas, dairy, and chemical industries. I've been doing it for the last 5 or 6 years. The changes that I've seen in HAZOP over the years mostly revolve around the way the regulations have changed, and there's a lot more focus now on what happens after HAZOP with risk assessment. So taking that into mind whilst we're doing HAZOP has affected us to make sure that we're covering consequences a lot better, make sure that we've got good scenarios identified for LOPA, for example. When you know what your outcome from your HAZOP is, you can make sure that you're identifying scenarios that will fit into LOPA well, as well as making sure those safeguards are in place. For preparing for HAZOPs, I make sure that I've gone through all the P&IDs well in advance, and that we've got an idea of what nodes that we're going to use during the HAZOP. And that process of going through nodes, splitting out the systems, helps me to run through the process and understand it better for when we start the actual HAZOP. It's really important to have a good relationship with the scribe. We have good consistency with our scribes, and they get to build up an understanding of how we like minutes to be written, the different way that we want to record things, and a good scribe is going to actually be writing things down before you've even said them. So Safety Solutions have some great training resources for HAZOP. We have a e-learning course that's been quite popular. It's a 6-hour course for HAZOP participants. So if you've got people that have never been in a HAZOP before, you want to teach them how they can make the most of it, participate well, it's a great course to get them on. And then we also have our 2-day HAZOP Leaders course. So if you're stepping up, wanting to actually start facilitating HAZOPs, come along and do that.